I transplanted these onion seedlings from seedling tray about 2.5 months ago, end of May, and it's nearly mid-August, and there hasn't been any growth at all. So I just decided to retransplant them, and when I dug out, I found out that the one close to the wall or the fence, they're still very dry, still in the modular sort of sip in the clump, and other than few new roots, no growth at all. So I just decided to retransplant them next to the carrot bed. I have separated them from the clump and planted one each, so I'll see how it goes. It's just trying every new thing, so I'll come back with the update. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.